All right, welcome everybody to the first live stream of the year. It's actually the second. I did go live like twice already, but this is the first NQ market live stream. So game plan for 2025, we are going to be just trying to make money. We're just going to try to make money, guys. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter where, what time, how much. We're going to be grateful for everything we can get our hands on, and then we're going to move from there. Let me just make sure I'm logged into my firm. Give me 1 second, guys. Bear with me. Okay. So, definitely getting a bullish already bullish move. So, pretty interesting. Trade of 8. Password. And we're going to be on our second combine. That's what we're going to be trading during Asia. And then we'll trade the capture. We'll trade New York. I do just want to jump into buys like immediately. I don't want to tarry too long, to be honest, but so drawing liquidity on this 1 minute was definitely buy side liquidity here. I don't have live price action. On here on TradingView. I probably should get that, but that's why I believe these candles are printing out like not so good, but it's looking like we're running straight for that high. We have a lot of buy side targets to potentially grab. Either, this is not financial advice. If you're seeking financial advice, seek a professional. Read also the disclaimers in the description as well. Trading is risky. So we're either going to start climbing to grab some of this liquidity, just to push down, or we may just reject right off of this area here and then start to climb down. We're just going to have to wait and see. If we get a nice move, we'll just a nice impulsive move back up, we'll take that. I'm already having issues with my chart, as you guys can see. I'm not gonna know how my volume is until later, I guess, but if there's anyone watching right now, let me know if my volume is not high enough. So we just got a market structure shift, and we just took this buy side liquidity. So we are now currently in a pullback. So we'll see if we can climb higher. Take our first, we're gonna be scalping. We're not gonna try to do anything fancy. Not on the first day of the year. I was told, well, many are saying that price action is not gonna be all too kind. So I'm just gonna keep that in mind. Take what I can. If we can get a runner, if we can get more than the profits on the scalp, then we'll take that. Guess we'll see in a little bit. I'm just gonna wait. 1 second, guys. I just have my finger on the execution button for longs, just in case. I'll delete this here. It's only a projection. Can't really predict where price is gonna go. Nobody really knows, but I had my finger on this button here just to see if we were going to take that long. We do have New York opening gap, our new day, new day, since technically our holiday was just middle of the week. So as you see here on the 5-minute, we did tap into this fair value gap. I wouldn't call this 100% accurate because it's also involving the new day opening gap as well. So we're just gonna have to see. Seeing any rejection off of these areas here still would be a possible long. I think probably after anything below 280, I won't be considering taking any more longs. So I'll mark that out right now just so you guys can see. 280. But as right now, willing to take, we're only going on one contract. We're going to go really light. I'm not going to rush. We are still getting that nice rejection off of that 5-minute area there, 5-minute fair value gap. So we kind of want to see that rejection with some value. As of right now, it's just playing around. Scripture today, Proverbs 3:1. My son, do not forget my law, but let your heart keep my commandments. Yeah, his instructions is just for our well-being, you know. As we go into uncertain times, I pray you guys, you know, hold your faith strong, even on to the very end. That draw liquidity was taken. We also get our first signal of that fair value gap as well on the 1 minute. That still doesn't mean we're going to just take a long. Kind of want to see a good rejection off of that area in order to start to at least consider some longs. Thanks for another subscriber or follower on Instagram. Just got the notification. Appreciate you. Hope I can be beneficial to your trading and your approach to the market. That'll be very cool to see you grow. If you do indeed are a trader. I mean, my page is basically all trading and scripture, so you must be one of the two, or both, God willing. So this is just a good example why we don't immediately rush into the trade. You just want to, especially like I said, it's like only 14 minutes into the new day, or into the trading day, Wednesday. So patience, we'll make it there. We're getting good rejection still. Still valid for longs above 280. We're just trying to wait and see. We just want one last confirmation before we're willing to go take those longs. Alright, nice little move. Alright, chat. What do you think we should do? I'm just kidding. Good, maybe 60 more seconds, and we'll see if we can jump in along here. Nice 10 more seconds. We do need some real delivery, though. We don't want it to dilly-dally. I'll be willing to take the loss if it doesn't play out. Strong delivery. We didn't get it. Strong delivery, guys. Strong delivery. I do have guests, so not really sure 100%. Value will be going in and out, probably. Still waiting on the behavior, waiting on some volume. See? I'm gonna mute for a second, guys. Kind of want to have some supper as well. See, this is why we have to be careful. Especially on the 1 minute. We really are specific scenarios. See, the 1 minute is very good, I would say, in my opinion, on when you have New York volatility, you know, actual like intentional direction. Like you can catch like market structure shift, pull back into a fair value gap, and really just ride one out. But like here, you wouldn't take this here. It's all the way at the bottom, nowhere close to a market structure shift, let alone a breaker. So it's just, this tool is amazing. It is an amazing tool. Sorry guys, it is an amazing tool, but you still have to actually have a trading plan, trading idea. It's not going to just tell you to buy here or sell here. You actually still got to know your trading model and just identify it. This really just gives me it just doesn't, what it does for me, this indicator, it just gets rid of the question of what fair value gap should I use, you know. So I know my entry model, I know where to enter, why to enter, and this just, once I see my setup print out, breaker, market structure shift, whatever the case is, whenever I see it, I'm just able to execute. Whether I'm doing scalping, or scalping is generally a different type of trading style, but may take along here. Still waiting for that last confirmation, but you just wanna, like, this just proves the point that, you know, you still have to have a trading plan. You still have to be disciplined, have good risk management. Like, the indicator does a lot of good work. It does like 95% of the work for you, but you do have to put in that 5%. Use your discretion. Don't fold into fear. Nice 15 more seconds. I may enter into this trade here. Whether I win or lose will be okay. Like I said, we're going in light, one contract. This is micros. So if we can get that last delivery up, we'll take a long. What's most important to me is intention in the market. If I'm not getting great intention, then it's really not a trade for me. Around this area, if we come back to this breaker, or if we dig deeper into this breaker, I will no longer be considering any longs. Right around there. I'm gonna go a little below. I have to see clear displacement delivery. A lot of damage done to the downside, so buy side liquidity based off microstructure is pretty weak. The only thing that's really I'm also taking into consideration is that if this is a higher time frame sweep and we are taking into consideration OTE from that high to that high, New Year opening gap is between 62 and 50, so even if we dig deep all the way back there, I don't want to see us get back onto the buy side of the curve. At this point, if we do dig all the way back to new day opening gap, it'll definitely be sell side. We'll be on the sell side of the curve on the 1 minute at least. But if we do dig that deep back down here, I want to say we are, I want to get back onto the buy side of the curve before we consider taking longs. We still haven't reached that buy side cancellation yet, so we're still looking for longs here. But I'm not getting that volume that I want, so it's really hindering me from pressing that buy button. But it is what it is. We're gonna go 50-50 on this. It's all about intention, you know. If we're not getting the intention we want, clear intention, then there's no reason to enter. We are now 26 minutes into the new trading day. I know my guy, he's not my guy, but I see how he trades on, he trades live as well. Like 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't know how, but he does it. I could only imagine him being in the long right now. What do you guys think, chat? Still no clear intention now. You're asking, what do you mean by intention? What I mean is volume confirmation. I really need that volume confirmation that we're gonna be. That's what I mean by intention. I need volume confirmation to confirm we're going to be moving on to the next area. So like I said, one scenario, either we start climbing up now, or we just dig deeper, maybe tap into 50 to 62, and then start to climb up. A lot of buy side liquidity we could just grab. Yeah, yesterday was just a mess. It was a mess if you didn't get in right up there. It was going to be a mess for you. Major consolidation, as you can see here, this whole consolidation area. Draw liquidity taken on the buy side, so just more reason to be cautious from instantly taking longs here. It's looking like we're gonna hit this cancellation, buy model cancellation level here, which is okay. That just saves me a loss. Even at this point, even if I do get volume confirmation, we're already super low. We're already super low in this move here. It'll be very, very unappealing to take. But we'll wait and see. I need the value confirmation, guys. Chat, should I just full point right now? No, I'm just kidding. If they get an internal, oh, we not yet. So 50 seconds if you close above that high, as you just saw, we may have that internal breaker structure. And all I would need is some value confirmation within the next 30 seconds maybe. We're right at 3,200, so it's a pretty interesting area that we may reject off of to go higher. We're literally at 21,304.75. So I'm gonna jump in along and see if we can get we can eat something off of this. So just put on the long here. Ran straight into drawdown. It's not a good sign. It is what it is though. See what we can. Well, it like I said, we did just hit a higher time frame. We did hit a higher time frame swing, so deep retracement will not be a surprise. Stops below that order block, so whatever happens, I do get a volume void here. That's not good neither. This is why we go on super light. And we got taken out. It is what it is, guys. We're down $25. Isn't that crazy? What are we gonna do? How am I gonna explain this? I'm just kidding. 25 bucks, nothing crazy. See if we can eat off this. I'm going to break even at 50 ticks. See what we can do. Move to break even. So at this point we could just say, well, we can't anymore, but right at 50 ticks, if we didn't move this take profit, we could have taken that take profit at 50 ticks and been at break even. But kind of want to see it reach this level, maybe fill the gap. So maybe fill the gap and then into Asia, kind of climb back up. If we do, like I said, this higher time frame market structure shift is just would just be a what is it called, a breaker structure if It would just be a breaker structure if it wasn't the first one, but it's the first one. So don't know what RR this is, to be honest. But we always expect a pullback after market structures with fair value gap. That's why we did have the OTE area. And this is if you guys watch my lives, you guys saw that I do we'll move to 1-to-1 at 100 ticks, see if we can get down there. But as you guys noticed, I said I use like 50 ticks, which is super small, and it's just one of the scenarios that I'm able to use 50 ticks, you know. Got a B rating on a 30-second. So let's see if we can get to 100, guys. Okay, cool. So we moved to 1-to-1, so now we are break even on the day. Let's see if we can run all the way back. It's pretty crazy. I wouldn't expect it. I wouldn't expect it to go all the way down there. We just hit 50% and getting a major projection. But let's see if we can hold that fair value gap there. 50% tapped into the new day opening gap. Let's see if we can hold, boys. See if we can hold. Nevertheless, we'll be break even on the day. Beautiful trade though. Chat, you thought I should have took TP? I mean, what would the RR? So it was like 50. So I did like 50 ticks, right? Yeah, maybe I should have took it to RR. What it should have, could have, right? So 50. So we were at 100. So this would have been our 2RR. Looks like we're going back to RR anyways, so that would have been 2RR at 100 right there. And then TPE was what? 200. That's pretty crazy, honestly. That is pretty crazy ambition for our trade. I think we'll dig deeper into this new day opening gap. What do you guys think, chat? Think I'm getting emotional? I know the emotions, right? Gotta love them. I'll be honest. You know, this is when you're like, do you want to be greedy? I think it's amazing that I'm live right now. I could just diamond hands it, take the 1-to-1 break even. So many more opportunities coming in the next few minutes. And like throughout Asia, this is literally the second trade of the entire week. So, or not entire week, but of the new year, guys. Like, we still have 365 days. 364 days. So we'll diamond hands this one. Diamond hands. We already gave up our opportunity for 2RR. It's already retracing back, so no turning back, boys. No turning back. But really, it's really interesting how I just wanted to chop like that. But like I said, we just tapped into a new day opening gap. So yeah, what can you do, you know? What can you do? Did play out with the quick idea though. Had so like I said, break even. If you guys are just joining, break even on the day if we get stopped out now. But if we hit 4R, we'll be up 3RR in a day. Should be pretty good. Whichever happens is fine. I'm honestly surprised we even price even moved that fast, that quick. I think it is kind of ambitious. That got stopped out. That's fine. I really think so. We are we're up. Nope. Technically due to spreads, we are not up. Down like $2, but it's fine. You think we'll continue to draw down? I'm pretty tempted. I'm pretty tempted to scalp the rest. I'm gonna try to leave without me, man. It's crazy. Chat, what do you guys think I should do? See my boy shorted. He's shorted too. He's not playing. I really do think we're in no man's land now. No idea where we're gonna go. Probably continue shorting, maybe. I may try to take a scalp here. I won't extend it this time. Break even on the day though. I think 50 ticks is a lot though, to be honest. Got B setups. Go ahead and see if we can eat up this. It didn't execute. What does that mean? 30 seconds to close. Probably should get my commissions back. Think I get the rest of this? Should move to break even. They may be playing around on this new day opening gap. You never know. I would not be surprised. I would actually want to get stopped out here, to be honest. Like, I need clean delivery. There we go. I believe it's like $2 commission. Clean delivery, no dilly-dallying, you know? That's how I move on the 1 minute. Like, you know, if you got the pullback, you know, you shouldn't even be in a trade. But the only reason why I got stopped out of here after this first trade is only because of the my risk management plan. So completely fine with that. No doubt, chat. No doubt. So would it hit full TP? Probably. Let's see. I know you guys heard my chair crying out that I should have I should have managed this trade better. Pretty interesting price action on the 15-second. Switch to 15-second here. Just pulling mad data. Man, guys. So you guys think we're gonna deliver from here for the rest? Market structure shift into a 1 minute fair value gap. Let's just see. We may get master direction. This is 50%, between 50% and between 50% and 62%. This blue does not look accurate. The new day opening gap. Breaker for a value gap. This looks like a setup, boys. But no, I want to at least see it come down to 21, 23, 4, if possible. It's originally where the TV was. Don't always get what you want, though, to be honest. $50.50. It may or may not get that rejection off of here, to be honest. sexy voice. Talk to me, talk to me. What do you want to do? Not getting any type of confirmation I want to see. I mean, technically here on 15-second, but it's not the confirmation I want. If you get a pull back around this area here, if you get a nice rejection, go see if we can take a scalp long. You know, something nice like that. First two trades, three trades? What around our fourth trade, something like that? It's a mess, right? Chat. I'm looking for one of these. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, no, nothing yet. Come on, man. Still got a chance, though. I have like maybe two more attempts. Two more attempts before my shorts become invalid. I mean longs. Let's see if we can get some out of that trade. Probably should have waited for it to make the breaker though. Couple chances we can do to move to break even. Break even on the day. We took a whole bunch of trades already. If it comes all the way back down here, then I was completely wrong. Which is fine. Would have been it. This definitely is expecting a lot, in my personal opinion. A full-on reversal. I mean, if it holds above the breaker, then as of right now, it hasn't. This weakness is the chair. Promise. In fact, that it doesn't want to close. It's not. No bueno. It's not good neither. $7 o'clock. Guess we know the true intention for 7 o'clock, right? Wow. Amazing. They did a nice entry there, to be honest. Should I switch up? Yeah. We're gonna take that. We're gonna take that loss. Take that loss right there. 21. See if we can tap back into that breaker. Actually, I should have took the full loss. Got super late fill. Breaker. It's fine. And in all honesty, I should have got filled up here. That's on me. It's on me, boys. That is on me. Come on, let's get some crazy volatility. Finish them off. Let's finish them off, guys. Finish him. All right. We're up 34 bucks. Not bad. Not bad, boys. So you see, we went long, went short. I don't know, guys. What did we do? What have we done? Went long here. So we went long. Then we shorted. Got stopped out there. Shorted again for a break even. Went long. Stopped out. Went short. For 2 cons. And we ate good. The commissions was gonna eat us, man. The commissions was surely going to try to take us out, man. But it was gonna take us. Boys. And that's what I do. I just scout my way. Scout my way around. You know, I think once you're funded and you just want to reach those 5 days of 200, I think this is the best way to go about it. Scalp 2 cons. Just scalp your 2 cons. You'll be okay. Yeah, just scalp your, yeah. So TP would have been hit if I just shorted, if I held my short all the way down. But sometimes you just gotta work your way around. Yeah, I would have made probably double what I did off these scalps. But it looks like we're going for this draw liquidity down here. So maybe if I get a micro pullback, go ahead and try to take a short. But at this point, mental capital spent. We're just gonna wait and see. I don't mind seeing a couple entries pass me up. Nice clean entry here on the 15-second though. Very nice. Got filled down here, but we were able to take a couple handles. Rode our way down. Not bad at all. Not bad at all, boys. But we may be coming for this liquidity down here. That's why sometimes I do extend my scalps and let it trail, because it does play out sometimes. But as you can see here, we rode it down and it stopped me out at 1-to-1 instead of, but broke below the new day opening gap, filled it completely. Now there's opportunity for us to be able to, we're still, if we pull back all the way, there's still an opportunity. We're in between 60 to 90 here. Chat, you think we can short some more? I didn't get a micro pullback. Yeah, technically I did, but I'm not willing to risk this right now. Maybe. I mean, it is weak sell side liquidity, so it's like the easiest opportunity to kind of short that. But wise man once said, if you can see the setup and still not take it and watch it play out in your favor, and not feel nothing about it, then you're doing well. So we'll let this one, if this one plays out, cool. If not, cool. At least we're not in it. I don't even have value confirmation, so I wouldn't even enter into this one, to be honest. Neither, I don't think I have value confirmation. I didn't even have value confirmation on this long. This one. I shouldn't have taken that one. There was no value confirmation. I do want to attempt to go long here. No, that's my real. I really want to go long. Yeah. You guys think we can do it? I'll attempt it. I'll attempt it just for the chat, but we're gonna go one con, cause I don't have time to play around. Not really. So TP. Stop loss there. See what we can do. We'll be trailing 50 anyway, so don't worry, guys. It's like what, 1 and 2? Stop loss super huge. You guys will never see me do this. Probably never again, maybe. Especially not under 2 breakers. That's like, it's like, what are you thinking? Got filled up here. It's 200 some ticks, boys. Crazy. Straight madness. Let's remove all these drawings. It's getting distracting. And we'll turn off our executions because that is also distracting. There's like really no reason why we should continue up. But hey. Sometimes you just gotta. Yeah, no. That was foolish, I know, guys. That was foolish, guys. Short this breaker here. Honestly, at this point, I'm playing around. I shouldn't be. There shouldn't be though. Yeah, we won't be trying to catch a reversal. Okay, so something I wanted to address. A lot of people are commenting on the vids that something about they need help with the crypto wallets. Yeah, like it's a scam. Like, don't reply to them, don't DM them, don't answer their questions. It's really unfortunate, but being such a new and small YouTube channel, that you guys would sit here and already start to attempt to scam all these followers and stuff. Come on, guys, we gotta do better. We gotta do better. Like, Jesus is king. Jesus is Lord. You're gonna have to answer for that. You're gonna have to answer for that foolishness, in all honesty. You're gonna have to answer for the foolishness, because like, nobody's gonna get away with, scamming. Like, nobody's gonna do it. Like, nobody's gonna get away with it. I promise you. Everyone's gonna have to answer for their deeds. So, I'm not gonna scam you guys, because I have the fear of the Lord in me. I can't go out like that, man. Not for no little dollars. Like, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make my wealth actually in the market. Like, I don't want to make my money off of students or teaching, Like, if I'm actually a good trader, I won't need to charge, right? Like, it's called greed. If you're gonna be greedy, like, that's the thing. I believe that's like red flag. Red flag behavior, guys. Your guru is claiming he made millions, and he's not like a charitable enough to give his content out for free. Like, for the sake of helping all new traders, then sums up. Like, sums ain't right, some not right. Like, it's weird. But like, they make all this money, right? They make all this money, and the whole time they still want you to pay them money too, right? Like, especially when we know, like, we all know, guys, like, we all know the everything's on the internet for free. So anybody's selling you anything, like me personally, I sell an indicator. I just sell a tool like this one here. I sell the tool, but I'm not going to sell you a private mentorship. Like, you guys can join the Discord if you want. You guys could, like, I also had like a VIP signals and stuff like that, the thing I use to scalp. But in all honesty, I'm not gonna even sell that. Like, I'm just gonna let that be free. Because at the end of the day, like, the only reason why I would charge is to contribute. Let's see if we can take another short here. Didn't mean to go twice. Just wanted to do one contract. The button lagged. Let's see. It's okay. The only reason why I would want, nice, TP hit. We're up $75. And we took the low. Awesome. Awesome, boys. But like I said, so it looked like we just did, you guys know it. Oh, I could have trailed. I should have trailed. Guys. Should have trailed. I should have trailed. Hey, boys. You guys take this? Chat. You guys take this? What a crazy, man. Just looking at the price action, like, just watching it play out with you guys is just so different. Wow, crazy price action. Welcome to 2025. Is this like the beginning of the market crash or something? Who knows? But you see, breakers are just awesome, don't you think? We're not gonna chase price. Wow. Amazing. Where do you guys think we're heading? That's what I get for scalping, right? I just scalped my way. I didn't even couldn't even take, so I should have extended it, and I should have extended it, see if I can get some more. But we good off that, we good. Micro pullback, boys, micro pullback. What do you think? See, that's why I love the 15-second too. Like, it won't lie to you. I don't know if you guys was able to see it, or if I go back into the video, see if they print it out, real deal. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But like I was saying, if the gurus are selling you something and they need your money that bad that they won't put you on, unless you pay them $1,000 or $1,997. No, I'm just kidding. But no, yeah, it's cool, if you're teaching them legit work and they're willing to pay, go ahead, sell it to them. But at the end of the day, I won't do that, because it's I'm not gonna knock anyone's hustle, But at the end of the day, what I sell is the instrument for accuracy. It's only a tool. I can clearly tell you guys right now, you don't need it. You don't need it to be a profitable trader. You don't even need to trade this type of concept in order to be profitable. It's just risk management. That's all you really need. But if you do want to purchase the product, proceeds does go to ministry, overseas ministry and stuff like that. This is also one of the biggest reasons why I even started to do this. I don't want to get rich off of it. I just want to be able to provide for my brothers and sisters across the world. That's also why I take this very serious. I may take some silly trades sometimes, but at the end of the day, I have one goal in mind, and that's to extract funds for the market, so I may do the will of God. And that's also what the instrument's for as well. That's what the revenue from the instrument comes from, or was made for, so I can do that efficiently, as well as each and every one of you being able to contribute to the body of Christ as well, and also getting an amazing tool, to better yourself at your craft and your skill. Well, your skill. I'm not gonna call it craft. But yeah, I'm not selling you a course or trying to convince you guys that there is a strategy that I only know, or I'm not trying to do that, I'm not trying to scam you guys neither. You guys have free will to do what you wish. So feel free, join or not join. It's 2025. My opinion, time is short, so do I want to dilly dally in my chart markups and question what's real and what's not, or if my setup is legit, or should I short it, or should I long it, or reversal? Should I question all that, or should I just see the setup and execute? Really just have to ask yourself that. I realized that a lot of my journey has been learning how to mark my charts out, not really actually, let me put this over here. A lot of my journey has been learning how to mark my charts out, and not really focused on trade executions and Look how much I missed. It's okay. Would it ate so good. Anyways, like I was saying, a lot of my trade executions, I lost my train of thought, but like I said, a lot of my journey, I remember now, praise God, a lot of my trading journey was learning how to mark my charts out and not really focus on executing the setup. Because if I don't know the setup, if I don't have my charts marked up, then how do I know the setup's really there? So, you know, you can search up people's trade strategies all day, but if you're not marking your charts out, their strategies really mean nothing. So that's why I take my chart markups very serious. Yeah, chat. Yeah, watch out for those people selling courses for $100 some a month. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. Actually, I thought my chart was not loading, but it's just a session coming up shortly. Very crazy price action before New York, or before Asia. Already up. So that's good. See if you can get to like maybe 1,000. I don't know, but oh no, my scripture's gone. I'm gonna have scripture up here every day on my lives. Or Proverbs 3:1. Chat. What is Proverbs 3:1? Yes, Proverbs 3:1. My son, do not forget my law, but let your heart keep my commands. Fire. But yeah, I think so. We're up $75, 76.50. Maybe a little less. I don't know. Something between Tradeovate and TradingView. They have like two different numbers. I guess because of what is it called? What do you call it? Spreads or commissions. One of them's calculating commissions, the other one isn't. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so it's look like not much is gonna happen in a little bit, so just gonna mute for a second till we get some good price action. I mean, we may actually go lower, but I should back up from. Yeah, I would not be surprised if we start to manipulate down, then climb back up. Sweep. Something like that, maybe. It's not financial advice. Seek professional help. Read the disclaimer and the description. I would definitely attempt a short in a sec. Nah, we're not gonna do it, boys. Or maybe we will. Chat, what do you think? Should I short this? One last push. Let's see. Quick TP. Break even. If it's another massive run, then there's no way we're coming back. Or break even. Looks like we'll break even. That's okay. Still made like $1 or $2. We would have hit TP though. We would have hit straight TP. See here, just another breaker. Nothing major. Should I decide to short it without adjusting it? Maybe. We'll wait till Asia, but yeah, we'll just wait. We're not gonna be savages, but I'll say easy draw liquidity right here. I'll be willing to take the risk. Easy draw liquidity. Let's just see if we can run for it. Just playing around a lot. $15-second breaker. If it doesn't hold that, then be sure tapped out. Yeah, it's fine. All right, let's wait till we still made a good amount. A massive rejection. But if you have like 5 accounts connected, it would have been whatever we made today times 5, or so far. We just scalped our way down. We may get a massive reversal. See if you can get a climb. Think we'll get the climb, boys. This trade's sick. This is where risk management comes in. If we lose this trade, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal, but that's why I risk so little. So I have multiple opportunities to get in and out. Know the break even before 50 ticks. I don't want this for value. I have to hold. Pretty weird. I would say a weird setup. Yeah, pretty weird setup. We're now like an hour and 30 minutes. So we need to see that hold. We need to see that fair value gap hold for real. And I'll take the break even. Yeah, that'd be a very sharp turn. Like, that's a very sharp turn. To see it just like climb all the way back up off of this type of move here, that'd be pretty crazy. That'd be pretty crazy. That would be, oh, see, there you go. It would be crazy, and it was. But you're at 50 in the green, so that's good. Alright, I'll be back. Go ahead and watch price action if you guys want. I'll be here. Just gonna be mute for a second. You guys saw that. He tried to take a long there. I think we took a loss to try to move to break even. Just after it started to look like this, it was over with. I do think we're still gonna go higher though, so we'll try again. No risk, no Rari, right? We'll take that. Take that. Almost $80. It would have hit full TP though. Full TP. So as you see, we're just scalping. You know, scalping our way back up. Who knows if we hit this breaker and, you know, who knows? All that before even touching. All that before even touching 8 o'clock. So P&L 79.50. You know, nice quick scalps for the first day of the year. A nice move down, reversal. I never would have thought, guys. I never would have thought it was gonna go up. It was gonna reverse like this type of behavior reversal. Interesting. But hey, all right, guys. I'm in the live stream. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys learned anything, something. Been trading for over 2 hours. It's already been an hour 41 minutes. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. All jokes aside, I thank God again for this opportunity. Praise Jesus. I hope to see you guys soon. Just trade recap. You can scalp your way all the way down, scalp your way all the way up. You'll be okay. Like, you don't have to take the whole move, although it's cleaner if you do, if you have the mind to endure. Do so. I have the mind to endure both types of trading styles, so would have been nevertheless I would have been able to extract money from the market. We went pretty light today. Just some micros, one or two micros we did a couple times, but like I said, praise God. Continue to build your relationship with God as we come into these days, and I pray that all of you guys are well. I pray you guys wish me well as well, and please do continue to stand fast. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.